Justers. I've never heard of that brand before, but if I did, I'm sure I'd have something great to say about them. This is the Juster computer speaker, multimedia speaker system. Magnetically shielded multimedia since 1981. They cannot decide what they want to be called. Yeah, I don't know. I like the designs. It looks very 80s, early 90s. These are, as far as I can tell, from the year 2000. Don't know why they look like that then, but I'm not complaining. I found these at local thrift store, and look at that, factory bubble wrap. This part of the video is faked, since I already opened this one. I just put it back in its bubble wrap when I realized what I had. Observe, look at that. Isn't that pristine? Something this old, you'd expect it to have yellowed. No. Oh good, it passed quality control. That means it must be good. If this sounds bad, I'm going to cry. These are active speakers, which means they require this. Oh good, it recycles. I was terrified it wouldn't. More wiring. So much wiring. Speakers are joined together. Since this one's passive, it gets power off of the active speaker here, which gets plugged into the wall. As well as the PC. I don't know, I'm popping bubbles. My pristine factory, what's the brand? Justers. My pristine factory Justers, they're made in China. How could I mess them up? Oh good, this one passed quality control too. Why would you say that twice? They're connected. I feel like if one passed, the other probably should have as well. Look at that. It's all still very nicely tied up. Yeah, just, throw the twine off. Because I was feeling that my setup just wasn't violently 90s enough. I needed to be more 90s. Since all this stuff is obviously very modern to the year of our Lord 2025. Let's take this guy out here. Look at that. It's also still in its thing. It's keeping its shape here. I like that personally, but it's also a sign of very low quality wiring. The wiring for the actual speakers is not keeping its shape quite as much. Still doing it a little, but not quite as much, which means this is probably higher quality wire, which is good. Except for the fact that I kind of want the bit I plug into the wall to be high quality, so I don't, burn my setup down. Alright. You can adjust the volume and everything. It's a good sound, isn't it? Joy, oh joy. Let's plug these in and see what happens. Okay, they didn't actually make this very easy. I've knocked over this speaker several times now. I'm pretty sure the one with the knobs on it goes on the right. That's what my gut's telling me. Okay. Here is our plug. And here is our computer. in the BIOS because it doesn't like to launch all the time. It doesn't save its boot device priority because it always tries to boot from CD. But let's just try to boot from hard drive. Can we get into Windows? No. Oh, great. Just have to put my Windows 98 disk every time I boot Windows 98. Ignore the flickering, that's not present in real life. That's just my phone's camera not enjoying the refresh rate of my TV, or monitor, I should say. Alright, let's see if we can get some sound going. That's not great. We are now inside the computer. Wow, it's turned on, which is a very good and safe thing to do. Yep, trust me. Anyway, here is our sound, Foxconn, and pulse jack. Foxconn here, audio jack there. Let's see, why does Windows not believe you exist?